Want to unlock a world of travel rewards and premium perks? Then you've come to the right place, because today we're diving deep into how to apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card and boost your chances of approval. First, let's talk eligibility. Chase generally looks for a good to excellent credit score, typically 700 or higher. You'll also need a solid credit history, meaning you've been responsibly managing credit for at least a year and, of course, a stable income that can support your credit obligations. Now, for the application process, you have two main options: online or in-branch. Applying online is usually the quickest and easiest. Simply head to the Chase website, find the Sapphire Preferred card, and click Apply Now. Be prepared to provide personal information like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. You'll also need to input your employment details, including your income and employer's name. Double-check everything before submitting. Alternatively, you can apply in person at a Chase branch. This can be helpful if you have any questions or prefer a more personal touch. The banker can guide you through the application and answer any concerns you might have. So, what factors does Chase consider during the approval process? Your credit score is crucial, so make sure to check your credit report beforehand for any errors. A longer and positive credit history is always a plus. A steady income demonstrates your ability to repay your debts. And lastly, consider your existing Chase accounts. Having a good relationship with Chase by having other cards or accounts in good standing can increase your chances. Remember, applying strategically is key. Good luck and happy travels!